Good morning. So, I'm loving this, absolutely loving this place. Slept very well last night, very well. Sat in the lodge, had a few beers, played Cards Against Humanity last night. It's always a good laugh. But this morning, I got to wake up to this. It don't get much better than that. It really don't. It really don't. Yeah, so today we're going on a little bike ride, and then we're climbing 470 steps up to Dragon Point and get a really, really cool view of Vietnam and Nihn Bihn, which is where we are, by the way. We're at Nihn Bihn. This is a homestay, and I'm on like the ricketiest bridge, like just made out of bamboo, and I'm falling all over the place. Falling in a minute. But yeah, no, it's been good. Everyone's getting on really well. So, what, 6th day, 7th day, I'm not too sure. I think it's our 6th. So 6 more days to go, and then I move on to Thailand. Yeah, again, it doesn't get much better than this. Don't think I'm going to be using my phone when I go on the bike ride. I may take my GoPro. No, in fact, no, I will. I'll use my GoPro. I'll film it, which would be cool. Right, see you later.
I'll video it anyway, just in case.
Oh, just in case I fall in.
Well, either or.
There's bubbles coming out.
Must
It's not even attached. Oh, look how thin they are. No.
you need. I think you need to step between the joints, maybe. Big step. Would you? No, not in the middle. That's going to be the worst place to step. You need to do a big step. And maybe stepping sideways, like your feet sideways, because you'll spread over the floor. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No way.
I think you could. It's not going to work, is it?
This is all the tracks already.
We made it that far.
To switch to the GoPro because we're going on the bikes. Get everyone looking really happy. Yes! Yep, so bike ride, boat, and then climbing up to Dragon Point. Oh, hello. It's gonna be a good day, very good day. And then we're going to chill out on the boat for a little while, about an hour and a half. This should be cool. But it's just started raining and it's welcoming. We needed the rain, which is good. You're still I'm happy again. Say hello. river. It's a bit close. Yeah, I was just like, oi! Absolutely stunning here. I don't know if you can hear, but the guys way back are singing Sound of Music. It's quite funny. Oh. So yeah, having a good day so far. Riding in the middle of a thunderstorm, and you can see the rain coming in the distance. That's literally going to hit us in a minute. Here it comes. It's absolutely buckets of it. My days. Who's loving the weather?
It's really refreshing.
It's really nice.
It's lovely. The shower we never wanted. Anyone got anything really valuable to go and put it back? We're not need to do a rain dance.
This is absolute mental. The visibility is shocking. It's like, don't know what we were thinking. My God. I am drenched.
I'm sure I'd last that.
I showered last night and this morning. And I was like, yeah. Yeah, we stopped pissing it down.
We are absolutely drenched. My shirt had about a litre of water in it when I squeezed it out.
We're wet.
And we're grumpy.
Yeah, we are. Well, yeah, we're getting a bit grumpy. I've got one pair of shoes and they're now wrecked.
No puddles.
Yeah, all the puddles. Did you see that van from Barney, beeping his horn? I was like, wow, you're so close to me.
Yeah. Just actually shaved my glasses. For being blind.
What is
rain,
it?
it prevents me from doing what I call rain blind
Right, okay.
with my glasses.
I had to put the sunglasses on. I was like, couldn't see.
Sorry.
You can see everyone is getting their ponchos on. Love it. So I've stopped having a cigarette. And it's so bad, and it's going to be puffing away. Needed it though. Excuse the smoking. No, still gorgeous country. I can see. Oh no, that's a building. I thought I could see like sunshine. No, it's a building. It's a yellow building. Oh. Yeah. Good lad. Good lad. Love it. So yeah, I think, is this where we're stopping now, or we just literally stop to chill for a minute?
Stop, but like then we're going somewhere else.
Right, on the bike?
Yeah. I thought we're on the cruise now. Oh wait.
No, we're not too sure, but I think we're going on the cruise now. When we say cruise, we mean a riverboat.
We're going on a cruise, how it is?
I'm not sure I'm really able to go on now. And I'm wearing denim shorts as well. With no belt. So it needs to be around my arse at some point today.
Yeah, I'm so thankful I am wearing sportswear.
Right. I'll see you guys in a bit when we go on the boat. Okay, so we've just done the cycle, as you saw, downpoured. We've done the river boat, again it was raining, but now we're climbing 470 steps in a minute, because we're walking there now, to Dragon View Point, which should be really nice and really pretty. But we're absolutely soaking, and we've got an overnight train to get to as well in a while. And the climb begins.
Wow.
We're climbing up there. I wish I stayed down at the bottom now already. Can't beat the view there.
I can't do them one step. I've got these 2 feet. I'm too little for this.
Yep, we're at the back.
Too small.
Oh.
Giant people steps. That's 50. Oh, I'm nearly there, I promise. Right behind.
Oh,
Well done. Please, you're keeping the count.
okay,
180. Is that all we're on? 180. 180? No.
okay.
Oh. I can't do it anymore.
Only another 300 knots to go. Here's the rest of the group. I thought it was the last one, but I'm not, which is good. I'm so unfit, it's unbelievable. I think it's the bike ride that has killed me off, to be honest. Should take about 20 minutes. I think it's going to take about an hour, to be honest. There's a mission. Apparently we're over halfway, apparently. But that's the view for over halfway. so steep. So unhealthy. I know. Woo! I know, I love the view. It's getting up here, I hate. Okay. Only another couple of hundred steps to go. Keep going. Recommend anyone that comes to Vietnam and ends up in Nihn Bihn. This is one of the things that you do have to do. Generally have to give it a go. I'm really sorry I'm so out of breath. And the camera's a bit shaky because I'm out of breath. We've got 95 steps to go. And the view already is absolutely stunning. Like, you get the view this way. This way. Yes.
Hello people, 380 steps in, 95 to go.
Not many. We was moaning about the rain. I could do with the rain right now. But look at that view. Less than 100 steps to go. We made it.
And then obviously this is where we cycled today.
Here's where they filmed King Kong. The new King Kong, that is. We went along that river today on the boat. But yeah, stunning. If we go to Vietnam, come to Nihn Bihn, give this a go. But don't talk all the way up. It kills you.